English Bosnian future. I will do.
Ja ću uraditi.
Welcome. Hey you, welcome. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your playful path to fluency. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources. Today you'll nail the future tense with to do and to make in Bosnian, quick, funny, and super practical. Let's roll. Your goal today. Repeat after me out loud. Short pauses are yours to speak. You've got this. I will do.
Ja ću uraditi.
You will do, singular.
Ti ćeš uraditi.
He will do.
On će uraditi.
She will do.
Ona će uraditi.
It will make.
To će napraviti.
We will do.
Mi ćemo uraditi.
You will do, plural.
Vi ćete raditi.
They will do.
Oni će uraditi.
Mini dialogue. A tiny sitcom. Repeat the Bosnian lines with me and smile. A. Who's fixing the printer? B. I will do it.
Ja ću uraditi.
A. If he's busy, can he handle the report? B. Sure, he will do it.
On će uraditi.
A. And the slides? B. She will do them.
Ona će uraditi.
A. Add a little RAM, will it help? B. Absolutely, it will make a difference.
To će napraviti.
Razliku. A. Big task tomorrow? B. We will do the hard part.
Mi ćemo uraditi.
Tezi dio, and you, all, will do the testing.
Vi ćete raditi.
Testiranje. A. And the rest? B. Relax, they will do the cleanup.
Oni će uraditi.
Sisinje. Rhythm drill. Clap the beat and speak on the downbeat, keep it bouncy. Beat 1. I will do.
Ja ću uraditi.
Woo-hoo. Beat 2. You will do.
Ti ćeš uraditi.
Let's go. Beat 3. He will do.
On će uraditi.
Solid. Beat 4. She will do.
Ona će uraditi.
Nice. Drop. It will make.
To će napraviti.
Boom. Chorus. We will do.
Mi ćemo uraditi.
Team. Crowd. You, plural, will do.
Vi ćete raditi.
Go crew. Finale. They will do.
Oni će uraditi.
Done. Quick quiz. Answer in Bosnian, I'll reveal after a pause. Q1. Say, he will do. A.
On će uraditi.
Q2. Say, we will do. A.
Mi ćemo uraditi.
Q3. Say, it will make. A.
To će napraviti.
Q4. Tell a group, you will do. A.
Vi ćete raditi.
Q5. Promise, I will do. A.
Ja ću uraditi.
Culture tip. Tiny grammar snack to boost your confidence. In Bosnian future tense, the helper, si, pairs with a pronoun.
Ja ću. Ti ćeš. Ona će. Mi ćemo. Vi ćete. Oni će.
Use.
Uraditi.
For completing a specific task, e.g.
Mi ćemo uraditi.
While.
Raditi.
Is to work, do, in a general sense, e.g.
Vi ćete raditi.
Ch.13. Both are useful, context decides. Challenge. Your turn, speak it into existence. 1. Point to yourself and promise a task you own. I will do, then say.
Ja ću uraditi.
Plus your task. 2. Assign a fun task to a friend. You will do, then say.
Ti ćeš uraditi.
Plus the task. 3. Make a team vow. We will do.
Mi ćemo uraditi.
Plus goal. 4. Tech tweak line. It will make it better.
To će napraviti.
Plus what changes. 5. End with a delegation cheer. They will do it.
Oni će uraditi.
Goodbye. Nice work, future tense unlocked. Thanks for listening with Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing these lines daily, share them with a friend, and revisit drills anytime. For more podcasts, exercises, and courses, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Vedimo say, see you soon.